Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss the Collegium system and the present development of reiteration of the same advocate as the High Court judge. You all know that words of war are going on between the legislature and the judiciary. Honorable Central Law Minister Kiran Rijiju, who himself is a lawyer, very recently he has written a letter to the CJI to include the legislature as one of the members in the Collegium system. Basically, you know what is a collegial system. Collegium system is a group of justices under the chairmanship of Chief Justice of India, CJI plus 4 senior judges, who will deal with the appointment, transfers and promotions of the judges. With the enunciation of 2014 NJAC Act, Judicial Appointment Commission Act. So the government wanted to intrude, but it was negated. So the Honorable Supreme Court of India clearly stated that Collegium is the law of the land. That is, as far as the High Court judges, transfers, postings and elevations are concerned, only Collegium has to take care of it. And the Collegium recommends some names at times, and the government will send them back for reconsideration. If the Collegium says no, it is to be done, then the government has no other option except to give them posting as the High Court judge. So, 2 such cases have come to notice yesterday. Right. So, how these things, you all know that before giving the appointment, he will be screened through intelligence, through IB, so many channels will be there. So if the IB report is negative, then he cannot be appointed as a judge. But here Supreme Court said no. How it is, let us discuss. So this is the case. The first case is with regard to R. John Sathyam. R. John Sathyam means he is Christian. R. John Sathyam, as he was an advocate in Madras High Court practicing, and he is elevated as a judge in Madras High Court. The earlier recommendation was on 16 to 2022, almost 11 months. The government sent back the proposal for reconsideration. Why? Because of the information in IB report, IB, Central Government Agency, IB report. So IB means Intelligence Bureau, just like a special branch in local police or state intelligence. This is Central Intelligence, right? So what they have written, that is better instead of wasting time. So this John Sathyam, he has made 2 posts. This is all relating to IT Act. So number 1, sharing of an article printed in the Quint, Quint from Delhi. So which is critical of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. He shared an article where the Quint press, they have written something critical of Mr. Modi. Second, he has also shared the information regarding committing of a suicide of a medical student Anita, aged about 17 years or so, in 2017, as she was not able to clear the NEET, and this was tagged as killing by political betrayal, and also a tag of shame of you India. So he has also shared the article. So these 2 things he has done. So therefore he is not fitted to be posted as a judge of the Madras High Court. And as regards other things, IB says, yeah, he enjoys good personal and professional image, no adverse reports on his integrity, and no overt political leanings. He is directly not connected with the DMK or ADMK or other political party. And he is scheduled caste and he is a Christian. Sharing an article will not impinge upon his suitability. Earlier recommendation will hold good. That's all. So merely sharing one article, it doesn't say that he is critical of PM Modi. He has just shared an article. So you can't stop his posting. This one incident. Second instance, Mr. Sundareshan. Somashekar Sundareshan. He is elevated as the judge, additional judge in Bombay High Court. So in this regard, the IB report, his views on social media, they can't be used to infer that he is highly biasly opinionated person. His opinions are all totally biased. Why? Because please remember Article 19(1)(a), freedom of speech and expression. Yes, everybody can have the right of expressions of the views. So therefore, the expression of different views or dissenting views, they cannot entail him to hold the constitutional post. Judge is a constitutional post. So ultimately, his views expressed on 4/10/2001 and other dates, definitely they are not at all applicable. Definitely he may have. So he may be critical of the government also. Yes, as judges, so many people, he is an advocate. As judges, they will be telling so many things. So the earlier recommendations given on this is more pending case. So 16/2/2022 and 25/11/2022, they will still hold good because he is specialized in commercial law. So ultimately, Supreme Court says that the views expressed by the persons, individuals, they cannot be taken as anti-national. Right? So this thing happens in so many cases. I will speak in Telugu. మన దేశంలో, మన రాష్ట్రంలో కూడా అతను చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ అయ్యి ఉండి ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో జరిగిన కన్జ్యూమర్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ యాక్ట్ కేసులో స్టేట్ నెంబర్ 1 వచ్చారు. కానీ పొలిటికల్ లీనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్పి అతని పోస్టింగ్ ఆపేశారు, ఇవ్వకుండా. ఆయన కోర్టులో రిట్ వేశాడు, అది వేరే సంగతి. సో ఇలా చాలా సందర్భాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ హాజ్ క్లియర్లీ స్టేటెడ్ దట్ ఈ పొలిటికల్ గిల్కి పనికిరాదండి. ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యాస్ గాట్ ఏ రైట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ వ్యూ. So definitely they have to be reinstated. I am sure that both of them will become judges of the high courts and you will see their names. So let them give beautiful judgments. Then we will estimate their capability. So with this I am concluding. Thank you very much.